The saber-toothed tiger had a short, heavy, and very muscular body built for strength. The saber-toothed tiger was an ambush hunter that attacked its prey suddenly. The saber-toothed tiger was a carnivore, which means it only ate meat. It hunted animals such as bison, horses, young mammoths, and large deer. As a top predator, the saber-toothed tiger helped control animal populations in its environment. Most of its daily life was focused on finding food and protecting its territory.
Some scientists believe that saber-toothed tigers may have lived and hunted in small groups.
Some scientists believe that saber-toothed tigers may have lived and hunted in small groups. It had strong eyesight and a good sense of smell to locate prey.